Hi, I'm Miikka and this is Woodartist Wednesdays. On our channel, we show how we craft high-end, unique wooden furniture and interiors. Welcome to follow our path we are about to embark on. It's a path full of testing, failing and nailing it, but also the enjoyment of finding something new and forgotten. Really far from you guys, right here in the woods of Kontiolahti, Finland. We're showing how our unique wood are sawn, stacked, dried and finally crafted to furnitures and interiors. Let's go!